Hello and welcome to this lesson, the lesson of Introduction to Microsoft Excel. In this lesson, you will learn what is Microsoft Excel, what is a spreadsheet, and Microsoft Excel's applications. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program used to record and analyze numerical data. Spreadsheet is a collection of columns and rows that make a table. The columns are represented by letters and are in total 16,384 columns. The last column is XFD. To see, let's click the combinations Ctrl right arrow key. XFD is the last column. The columns are represented by letters. Let's click Ctrl left arrow key to go back to where we were. The rows are represented by numbers. There is in total 1,048,576 rows in Microsoft Excel. To see the last row, we have to click the combination Ctrl down arrow key. Here we have Ctrl up arrow key to go back. The intersection of a row and a column is a cell. On this point, I have a green rectangle showing me that I have selected a cell. The cell where I'm in is E5. The name of the cell address is given by the letter that corresponds to the column of the cell, followed by the number of the row that corresponds to the row of the cell. In this case, I'm on the cell E5 because the column is E and the row is 5. Excel has an intuitive interface what makes it easier to learn. The program is good to make tables, graphics, calculus, organize names in alphabetical order, or using some criteria that we can define, and more applications are possible to be done with Microsoft Excel. Why you should learn how to use Microsoft Excel? You definitely should learn how to use Microsoft Excel because every day in any part of the world you deal with numbers or data in general. We need to calculate the average of our school scores and analyze if we're in a good stand or not. We need to analyze our incomes and expenses, and we need to do more with data. Basically, you need to learn this to know how to record and analyze data. Definitely, it's time to learn Microsoft Excel. You made the right choice joining me in this journey.